At the airport.
Anna and David are going on vacation. They are going to travel by plane. But this is the first time Anna go the airport. She is very excited and they are checking their bags.
I booked a taxi. He is coming. Let's go. Our bags should be put in the trunk of the cab. I'll do it.
Thank you, my bestie.
Hello. Where are you going?
To the airport, please. Oh, that's the entrance. Can you drop us near there?
Sure, wait a bit. The total price is $59.90.
Here's $60. Keep the change.
Thanks. Don't forget your things.
What are we going to do now?
Just go to the terminal.
Wow, this terminal is so big.
We have to go to the check-in counter.
For what? You said that you booked the tickets online, right?
We need to check our bags, luggages, and get our boarding passes.
Can't wait to be on board. Oh, a long queue of passengers is waiting.
No worries. It does not take a lot of time. Hi, we would like to check in.
Hello, may I see your tickets and passports, please?
Sure, here you go.
Where are you flying to today?
New York. We are on vacation.
How many bags are you checking in?
Only 2 bags.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
Yeah, sure. How about the carry-on bags?
You can take it with you on the plane.
That's great.
Your bag weight is 20 kilograms. It's okay.
If I bring a phone and a laptop in my carry-on bag, can I take them on the plane?
That's fine.
Awesome.
Would you like to take a window seat or an aisle seat?
Well, I want to see the outside, so I think window seat would be perfect.
Yes, sir. Let me print your boarding pass. Sir, here are your boarding passes and your passports.
Thank you.
Your flight leaves from gate 15B and it'll begin boarding at 10:20. Your seat number is 10E.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, your turn. I'll wait for you.
Okay. I got it.
One thing you should notice is that you should get to your gate about 1 hour before departure.
Can you show me the way to get there?
Yeah, you will turn right at the souvenir shop, take the escalator, and go upstairs. Security will be directly in front of you. After you're going through security gate, you will see the signs to your gate.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome and have a nice journey.
So what we have to do now?
We're going through the security now.
Hello, please, lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt, and use the bins for small objects. Empty your pockets and put the contents in the tray.
Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes, too. Don't worry, you can take your items later. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I bring a cleanser and some hand lotion. But I think I do not have to take them out because I did put them in small containers at home.
Okay.
Now, we need to put our bags on the conveyor belt.
Please step through the scanner. Please step back. Stretch out your arms, I'm going to scan your body.
Sorry, I forgot my watch.
Okay, come on through. You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Now, it's my turn. A few minutes later.
Alright, you're all clear. You now can pick up your items from the scanner, and you can head to your gate.
Thank you.
The next step is that we need to go to our gate. We are going to wait here for the boarding announcement.
United Airlines Flight 543 to New York will be boarding in 5 minutes. Please proceed to the gate number. Have your boarding pass and identification ready for boarding.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Here you are.
Why are we passing through this tunnel?
This is the boarding bridge. It will take us directly to the plane.
Interesting. So many things to see.
Welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy your flight with us today. We are about to take off. Please fasten your seatbelt.
I am sitting in the window seat.
And I am sitting next to the aisle seat. This is so amazing. Look! Can you see the clouds over there? We're flying. Do you know how long this flight will take?
We should be in the air for about 2 hours.
Hello, sir. What would you like to have for your in-flight meal? Here we have noodles, salad, chicken, rice, and pasta.
I'd like chicken and rice, please.
And I want to have noodles.
Do you like anything Elise to drink with?
That would be great. What do you serve?
We have water, coffee, tea, and juice.
I'd have a glass of orange juice, please.
I'll go for a bottle of water.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Are we going to do hotel now?
First of all, we need to go to the baggage claim to get our bags.
Where is it?
I have no idea. Excuse me, do you where I will pick up our bags?
Sure. Can you tell me your flight number?
Yes, I took the flight number 543.
I see. I am sure that your bag will be arriving on Carousel 5. By chance, I am going to there too. We can go together.
Great.
There it is. I saw my bags. I have to go now, bye.
Bye.
Good morning, sir. Could I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Can you tell me your full name and age?
My name is Peter. I'm 23 years old.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am on a vacation and that's the reason I am here. I want to have some days off and booked a tour here.
How long will you be staying here?
About a week.
Where will you be staying?
I am going to stay at the Center Hotel in the city. It's near the airport.
When will you be going back?
I will go back on 24 March.
Okay. Do you have anything to declare?
No, I do not have any valuable things.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my videos. Please, subscribe to learn more English with my channel.